Hello for everyone, my name is Bagus Setiawan from Management. This is our presentation for English for General Purpose. The topic is 1. Interpreting table and graph, describing table and graph. 1. Interpreting and describing table. Tables are a way to display information in the form of cells consisting of rows and columns. A table is divided into rows, and each row is divided into cells. In the context of HTML, tables have a very important roles, besides being used to display tables containing data. Tables are also used to arrange text in columns or create other structures reports. Tables are often used in web pages to beautify the appearances or to arrange so that information can be presented in a easy-to-read display. Analysis of the strengths and weaknesses of some good quality smartphone products among young people. Number 1. Product name iPhone. Strengths A. Better build quality and designs. iPhone design has always had its own characteristic, since the appearance of the iPhone is always consistent. Since the appearance of the iPhone is always consistent, it is not difficult to recognize the iPhone from a distance. The quality of iPhone's product is also not kidding. B. Higher performance. Chipset made by Apple for the iPhone are always the best compared to chipset or processor for Android phones. C. Better iPhone camera results. Therefore, the quality of iPhone camera shoot is always on the best. D. More secure iPhone. The advantages of the iPhone that are quite striking are in terms of security. To install applications on the iPhone can only through the App Store. Android phone users are more susceptible to virus and malware attacks. E. Software update fast and even. iPhone always rolls out update to its operating system, not only for the latest types of cell phone, but also for other iPods. Weakness A. Much more expensive. The reason for the price of the iPhones itself is because of the brand image that want this product to be placed as a premium class product. B. No external slot memory slot. The additional external memory slot is certainly very important in its function to increase the iPhone's notoriously small internal storage capacity. C. UI approach can be customized. The interface of the iOS operating system on the iPhone tends to be monotonous. iPhone users cannot freely tamper with the iPhone UI display like on Android. Small battery capacity. D. Small battery capacity. The small battery capacity certainly makes it difficult for those of you who have high intensity when using cell phones. Number 2. Product name Android. Strengths. A. It is open source which is easy to develop. This is, of course, because the Android operating system is an OS based on Linux. Therefore, because of its open source nature, Android can be cited to be an operating system that is easier to develop for free. B. Very easy to modify according to user wishes. The next advantage of Android is that it is very easy to modify according to the user wishes. Not only professional developer who can improve the Android operating system on certain smartphone device. C. Have a variety of device prices. However, thanks to the Android operating system, smartphones can become cheaper because they are secondary needs or have become primary need for user. D. Powered and developed by Google. Of course, with the support of the Google company, every process of developing the Android operating system becomes more secure and optimal. Weakness A. The process is heavy, so it requires a lot of RAM. Of course, this will require a lot of RAM and ROM memory resource to run the Android operating system. B. The modified Android operating system has less than optimal performance. Sometimes the Android operating system that has been modified by the user can become non-optimal and unresponsive when used in the future. C. Becomes less responsive when running on low-spec hardware. Of course, this is also related to the size of the hardware component specific on smartphone device. By component, I mean the type of processor, ROM capacity, RAM, and other hardware component found on smartphone or other device. 2. Interpreting and describing graphs. A graph is a collection of data from several tables that are presented or displayed in the form of images such as squares, circles, tubes, triangles, blocks, cones, and other. Graphics are also commonly interpreted as a framework or image that is used to create visualization object from the data in the table with the aim of providing information about a data from the presenter of the material to the recipient of the material. In addition, the graph can also be interpreted as a description of the ebb and flow of an exciting data, and depicted with a line or image. The data used to create can be in the form of number, letter, symbols, pictures, symbols, graphic, painting. Graphs can be divided into 3 types, namely as follows. 1. Bar charts. A bar graph is a type of graphs that describes some data in the form of bars. A bar graph of histogram, it is simple types of graphs and is very easy to understand. Bar graphs are used to currently show difference in the level of value of referral aspect of a data. The bar graph below is an example of the recap graph of iPhone and Android smartphone sales data for the last 4 months of 2021. 2. Line graphics. It can be seen from the graph above. iPhone has a good sales graph because every month it is sales that continue to increase. January sold 64, February decreases 44, March increases 57 unit, and April peak sold 58. Android sales every month can be said to be unstable because in January he sold 36 units, in February he sold 44, in March he only sold 25 units, and in April they only sold 42 units. A line graph it is a type of graph that exhibits some data in the form of lines of curves. Line graphs are used to describe a development or change in data over time. A line graph has two main axes, namely the x-axis and the y-axis. One example of the line graphs below is a zealous recap of the 5 most searched after iPhones in the last 60 months in iPhone in the last 60 months in 2021. It can be seen from the graph above. iPhone has a good sales graph because every month it has sales that continue to increase. January sold 64 units, February decreases to 44 units, March rose to 57 units, April sold 58 units, May sold 48 units, and peaked it and June sold up to 51 units. Android sales every month can be said to be unstable, as can be seen from the graphs. 36 units were sold in January, 56 units were sold in February, 23 units were worse in March, 42 units were sold in April, 42 units in May were the same as the previous month, and 49 units in June were up. 3. Circle graphs. Circle graph. A pie chart is a type of graphs that gives some data in the form of a circle. Circle graph is used to describe the percentage of the total value of a data. The following is an example with a statement circle graphs of 2 favorite smartphone brands that are most sought after among young people today. There is an iPhone that has the percentage of the most searched brands listed 60%. The second is Android with a percentage 40%.